Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we break down different ways that you can use AI to grow your marketing agency or just market your own business better using AI. So what we're going to talk about this video is how you can use AI to better respond to your online reviews. We all know that getting reviews is a very important part of running your business because it helps you get more customers and also helps you rank higher in search results. But what most people don't know is that you also need to respond to your reviews because Google and other platforms will typically reward business owners that respond to their customers. So you're probably familiar with Google business profile reviews. So we're going to spend this video going over how you can use AI to respond to your Google reviews. And we're going to go over two different ways. And first is just going to be basic ChatGPT. And then the other one is going to be a much better tool that actually we built that can make it as easy as clicking a button. So let's jump right into it. You're all very familiar with Google business profiles because you work in marketing in some way. So what we're going to do is just cover it really fast. So pizza near me. If you're looking for a pizza restaurant and you're like 80% of people or 90% of people now, you're going to type in pizza near me. Here you can see their reviews and let's see if this business owner has been responding to them. Okay, so it looks like this business actually hasn't been responding to the reviews. So if they wanted to do better, they would just go ahead and do that. And what we're going to do is bring up a profile of ours right now and show you how you can respond to reviews in two ways using AI. So to start, let's go over here and let's copy this review into ChatGPT. And I'm just going to say, I got this review on my Google business profile. How should I respond? And just paste in the review that you got so that Google knows how to respond to it. All right, the first thing that you're going to notice is that this does not look like the kind of response that business owner would typically use on Google, right? It's way too long and it has placeholders like, reviewer's name, and it doesn't sound very natural. So what I'm going to do is actually just copy this again, and I'm going to try to use GPT-4. So let's do it again. Okay, there's still a space holder in there. First and foremost, I want to express our deepest apologies for the inconvenience. Okay, this sounds a little bit better, but you can see it's still kind of written more like an email than a response to a review. So you'd still have to take some time to go and copy this and then click reply and then paste it and then do the editing, right? Because you would then need to go in here and put in your name, put in the person's name that left the review, and go in here and just make sure that this is all accurate. But I don't really like how this looks because it's a little long and most of the time people don't want to read a long response and it just doesn't seem very natural. Usually they're like 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences max. So this is a good way to start and you can go through here and edit it. But what I want to show you is actually a different way which uses AI inside the Google business profile to make it as easy as clicking a button. So let's say that instead you get to your Google business profile, you see that a customer left you a review, you just click reply. And then if you have this Chrome extension installed that I'll tell you about at the end, you can just click this lightning bolt icon and it's going to generate the best response using AI for this review. So here you can see already, this looks more like the Google review response format that you're probably expecting. So here we can see it says, refers to them by their name. So hi Rizwan, it's already here, blah, blah, blah. And then again, saying we understand and thanks for bringing this to our attention. So you can see this review is a lot more like the ones that you would want. And you can also change the tone. So maybe you want to sound a little more casual in how you're interacting with your customers online. You can go ahead and just change the tone and it's going to regenerate it here. And then it's as simple as just hitting reply. And so this is a super easy way to respond to your customer reviews on Google Maps without having to copy and paste things or really train Google in how you want to respond to your customers. And the way you would get this feature is by downloading a Chrome extension called Profile Pro. It's one of the AI marketing tools that we built. So the way that you download this Chrome extension is by going to merchant.com/Profile Pro. And you'll see here they can do a lot more than just respond to reviews. But for the sake of this video, we're only going to cover the ability to reply to reviews because that's really a helpful feature that has already helped over 4,000 businesses so far. And you can just download this extension for free. And as long as you don't need to reply to more than 5 reviews every month, then it stays free. Otherwise, there's just a small monthly fee if you need to upgrade, or you can just wait until the next month when your credits renew. So if you found this video helpful and you want to learn more ways that you can use AI to grow your agency or market your business, then please subscribe to the channel and like this video so that we can keep bringing more content to you and helping you grow. Thank you.